Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We do also have the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills and also the gloss black front splitter, which is part of the M Performance kit that this vehicle has. We do have the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the colour-coded shark fin antennae. We do also have a rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Coming around to the rear you find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. And back around to the driver's side now, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back first you find the full black leather interior. You have the M Sport style seat belts, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. Got the electric windows on the doors. Same leather interior at the front with both front seats being heated. There is a look at them. We do have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down here, the ambient lighting, automatic wipers, got a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. Got the cruise control and speedometer just there on the left hand side, got the volume buttons on the right, and the steering wheel is also heated, so if you press this button just here, then it will come up on the screen telling you it's activated, just like so. We are free from any warning lights other than about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main infotainment screen here in the centre. Now if any lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the sat nav just here, but we do have the shortcuts. So click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the media options on the left hand side. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go up to car, onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting just here. Many colours which you can choose from. Looks really nice, especially at night time. It runs across here and also across the doors. We have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And then moving further down, you find the two vents. We have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, the heated seats either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning as well. Gloss black trim here in the centre. We also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so if you just press onto these buttons it will pop up on the screen with all the different drive modes, just like so. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as we expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. We have the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the paddles and it will change gear. We've got the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which will show different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also walk on the video. Now if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle, really comfortable seats, can easily do 2, 3, moving 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings combined with the heated steering wheel. We also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat nav. Also has many more features, for example the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so many more that you would have seen on the photos. We also have the ambient lighting which runs throughout, looks really nice especially at night time. We also have the intelligent safety system as well, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Down here we have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on, we're slowing down and we're going to wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. This car's letting me go. Right hand turn, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reversing camera appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.